'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love. 'Cause this is real love.
Breakfast. Luto tayo ng bacon. Okay. Happy birthday! Happy 18th birthday! Okay. Bacon and nuggets ang breakfast natin ngayon.
Hindi naman nakatutok dyan.
Yeah. Mahuli na doon?
Pero okay mo.
Wala nang sinabi dito pa walang tutok na.
Iiwan nga sila ng stove.
Ito ngayon ang breakfast namin, bacon, tapos nagluto ako ng nuggets. Ayan. Yung ito, gas range, hindi nila pinagamit. Hindi kasi ito mag-rest din, hindi mag-work yun. So, ito na lang ginamit natin, induction. Yung kanin, luto na. Be? Yan.
Okay na daw yun. Sabi ni Shobe.
Guys, magluto din ako ng nuggets. Portion. Ito na yung bacon ko na may sulog konti. Okay lang yan. Ito, nagbo-boil ng water for coffee. Hi, Shan! Good morning! Wala pa sa mood. Ate, happy birthday! O kuya, ayusin nyo na yung bed nyo. Sige na, ayusin nyo na yung bed. Para maayos din. Sabihin nyo. Cooking my eggs. Yan ang gusto nila pagkaluto. Ganito kami guys. Every morning, helping each other. Yan. Yan ang konting canola oil. Yan. Tapos, mahina lang yung para hindi masunog. Okay, crack kayo ng egg. Okay, perfect. Yan ang breakfast ni Sean.
Always have been, always will be.
Bacon, tapos may nuggets, tapos egg.
Hey, I respect creaky old stuff. Poke it again, and I'll crack your antique shell egg.
Yung egg, yun ang egg, ha? Kote ng kay dati na.
It seems to know who we are, yet we have no information on it in our data bank.
It? Really?
Like it popped into existence from nowhere.
What? I've been here the whole time, dude.
Perhaps answers lie in the energy signature the creature exhibits. May I suggest a series of full-length life-endangering diagnostic tests?
I'm helping Amy. No one don't do well on tests.
Those in favor of stress testing this blue rabbit say yes. Oh, yes, please. Rusty, put him through the paces. Let's see how powerful he is.
Do not fight them. It will only end badly. For him.
And then, maglagay tayo ng ano.
The sooner we do this.
Sa labas, yung na rin. Ay, di ka sa kain. Oh, ito yung food ni Daddy. Hello everyone! Good morning! It's day 2. Nandito pa rin kami sa Pico de Loro. And today is my daughter's 18th birthday. And we're gonna roam around here, the country club. And first namin punta kami ngayon sa beach ulit kasi gusto nila mag-swimming. And it's a wonderful day. No sun, no rain. So, okay lang siya. Maganda siya mamasyal sa labas. And of course, they already put sunblock on them. So, ngayon, lalabas na naman tayo ngayon, guys. And have a nice day and see you later. Hello everyone! Good morning, and it's our day 2 here at Pico de Loro. And today is her 18th birthday! Yay! 18th birthday. But we don't have a bongacious birthday party or a debut party or what you call that. But she only wants a intimate celebration or just a family outing, just us. Why?
Because I don't like to wear dresses.
What you are wearing shirt?
No, I mean like
But she doesn't want a party, a big party, because she doesn't want to wear gowns or whatever. And also, but it's good because we don't have to spend a lot of money for that birthday party, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And syempre, may wish ako sa kanya. Sana maging healthy siya palagi and matapos niya ang pag-aaral niya ng maayos. Kung magbo-boyfriend siya, okay lang. Pero, she have to focus on her studies because nursing is not easy. Diba?
yes.
Okay. And of course, sana magiging open lang sa mommy. Huwag siyang mag-hide something. Alam mo na. Tsaka, wala namang bawal. Basta lang makinig and magiging honest. Ano pa? Basta yun lang. Tsaka, bawasan lang niya yung pagka-moody niya. Yun. Ikaw, anong wish mo sa sarili mo?
I want to be healthy and happy.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
So, ready na kayo mag-swimming?
Yes.
Ako hindi. Hindi ako swimming. Halika na. Ayan guys, ready na ako guys. Pag magpunta sa beach. Pero hindi ako mag-swimming guys. Tamad ako mag-swimming. So, samahan ko lang yung mga kids. Ano, Han?
I'll pay later.
Yay!
Saan tayo kakain?
Don't worry. Mine. No problem.
Oh, Daddy will pay your... Ay, dali na siya.
Mas mabilis sumara.
Hello world. We're going to the beach.
Kaso ang bilis nga lang mo ba?
Hmm?
Shuttle or lalakarin na lang? Doon mag-aantay. Dito tayo mag-aantay. Sana meron agad. Dito. Kasi dito titigil yun eh. Dito titigil yun eh. Ikot dito yun.
Di ba doon sa labas lang?
No.
Hi guys, good morning. Kahapon nagpunta kami ng beach. Hapon na. Pero ngayon is almost 10 o'clock. Pero the sun is not showing. This is the lake. And it's so beautiful here. Ayan. Oh, relaxing. My kids are there. I think it's about more than 5 minutes ang walking dito. At least nakakapag-exercise ka. Yan guys. Ang laki ng country club na to, guys. By the way, sa mga hindi nakakalam, nandito kami ngayon sa Pico de Loro and Country Club. What? Yeah. Wait for me. Turuan mo si Shanday, ha? Good morning. We are here. Pico de Loro. Pico Beach. Good morning. Ito na yung beach. Ang ganda sa mata dito, guys. It's so green. Andito pwede kayong maglaro. Ang laki ng area nila dito. There you are. Kel, harap ka nang may payong, Kel. Nag-aambon eh.
Swim in the water.
No!
No, I go this deep. Go this deep.
Hi, Shan.
I want you to go this
No, I have in my with my bag. Baka ma-accident ako. You just go. Shan. Si Shan. Wait, watch for Shan, ha? Yun guys, nandito yung beach. Maganda yung panahon. It's not too hard ang sun. I mean, it's not too bright. And the water is not too deep. That's why people are there away from the seaside. Isampay mo lang dun sa ano, sa bench. Isampay mo lang. Isampay mo lang doon sa ano. Tara.
Oh, yeah. I can't see anything.
Where are you going?
Mama, do you have a towel?
I think at Kuya's.
I can't see people through my eyes.
Where? Wala naman. Oh, yung damit ko.
Still have beach water in my eyes.
Oh, sige, sige. Sige na. You go there na.
Careful.
Okay. Dapat spread mo. Para matuyo.
Dito tayo. Ayan yung habulin natin, guys. Dito na. Lovers in the night. Poets trying to write.
Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? C'est la vie. 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 fills me with fright.
Oh, this place. Sobrang laki ng lake nila dito.
Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? Be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. words that I think are